This video is sponsored by Jada Dev, a store of high-quality scripts and maps. Store link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a MRPD MLO by Banana Development into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which we are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. The MLO will cost you around 35 euros. You just have to click over here and purchase the MLO into your CFX portal and download the MLO. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resources. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now, and this is the MLO which we have installed into our FiveM server, and this is the location in the map over here. Now let's get inside the MLO. So this is the first look of the MLO over here. As you can see, this is the reception of the MRPD, and this is the briefing room over here. This is the washroom of the MRPD, and this is the media room over here, and this is the wall of honor over here, and this is the gym of the MRPD. As you can see, this is the armory over here on the basement floor. This is the cell of this MRPD, and this is the garage over here. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.